Good morning, everyone. It is 6:15 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, and boy, is it a beautiful sunrise in New York City. Right now it is Saturday, so everyone in New York City should be doing a lot of things. And also, summer for us has been going pretty good. And however, for me, my summer hasn't been going so well. There have been a lot of things that have been going on with me. Ultimately, me being here in the studio right now. I really should have not signed up for this job. These people do not allow any breaks for anyone. Don't you think? Crap, I'm gonna get fired for saying that. Well, you know what? I don't care. While I do need this job, I can find other jobs. I can find other jobs that can actually give me money, but actually give me summer breaks too. Because like I don't get paid a thing for this job. I'm definitely gonna get fired for saying that on the air. Okay, so that's all. It's right now 72 degrees, and we'll be back because I really gotta take a crap. How awkward.
Welcome to the BBC News. Just this morning, a strange creature unknown was discovered in the Atlantic Ocean. This creature is even taller than the Empire State Building. It is unknown if this creature is hostile or not, but it seems like it weighed to the United States. It seems like this creature is heading towards New York City. Hopefully this won't mean anything, but as a precaution, everyone in New York City, as well as the entire state of New York, are advised to evacuate now. Now to the weather. The temperature is 60 degrees. It is 6 p.m. right now, Eastern Daylight Time. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Federal Emergency Management Agency. The creature that was spotted in the Atlantic Ocean half an hour ago is indeed very hostile. This creature was last seen entering New York City, tearing down buildings with their large claws, killing anyone in its path. This is quickly turning into a dangerous situation, and the military has been dispatched to deal with the situation. As a result, everyone in New York City, as well as the entire state of New York, is ordered to evacuate the state immediately. If you choose not you are putting your life in extreme danger. You might be ordered by civil authorities to evacuate the areas affected by the situation. Make sure to pack necessary supplies for your journey, such as food, water, clothing, medical supplies, or anything necessary for your journey. Stay tuned to this station or other news stations for more information on this dangerous situation. The evacuation order is still in effect. The following message is transmitted at the request of NASA and the Federal Emergency Management Agency. An object has fallen from the sky and has crushed several buildings in New York City. This happened not too far from the Statue of Liberty. This object was revealed to be the satellite. As a result, information about this creature can no longer be broadcasted, as the satellite was our only source of detecting anything that happens on Earth. A large fire in New York City is now visible. All residents for the entire state of New York, including the city, are ordered to evacuate now if they haven't done so yet. Remain tuned to this station for more information on this dangerous situation. New York is going to hell indeed. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Federal Emergency Management Agency. The creature is attacking the Brooklyn Bridge. There are still many cars on the bridge, trying to evacuate the city for their lives. The bridge is about to fall into the river. If you are still evacuating New York City, do not take the routes that lead to the Brooklyn Bridge, because there is no bridge. I'm too lazy to provide safe routes, so figure it out yourself. Anyways, stay tuned to this station for more information and updates on this dangerous situation. Super chaos indeed. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Federal Emergency Management Agency. Reports came in about people being infected by what seems to be parasites from the creature. Many parasites are falling from the creature, which have infected anyone who didn't evacuate yet or are still evacuating. Welcome back to the BBC News. This dangerous creature is now beginning to attack the oil tankers in New York City. People are beginning to believe that this creature lives by oil. Nobody knows for sure, but because this creature attacks several oil tankers from his previous destinations, this might be true. As a result of this threat, the military has been dispatched to deal with this creature that is still not named. We'll be back once more information is revealed. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Federal Emergency Management Agency. A large explosion has occurred near the Empire State Building in the city of New York. Sadly, there were still some people who didn't evacuate. Maybe some people didn't get the message. Civil authorities in New York City were killed by this large creature, now known as Cloverfield. This might be the cause of the people not evacuating because they didn't get the message. Additionally, it has been reported that this creature will blow up the entire city at 6:45 a.m. Eastern Time. As a result of this threat, all residents in the city of New York are ordered to evacuate if they haven't done so yet. If you evacuated New York City, you are ordered to not go back home, as there is no home to go back to. If your home is still there, it will be gone soon, so don't go back. This is an extremely dangerous and life-threatening situation. Stay tuned to this station for more information on this dangerous situation. The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government. The creatures have replicated somehow, and have spread all across the northeastern United States. As a result, many people are being killed, infected by parasites, and more oil tanks are being attacked. This is a very life-threatening situation. Due to failed efforts to kill these creatures, this mass is expected to spread across the entire United States within the next 7 hours. The president is currently being taken to a safe location due to the White House being attacked by these creatures. The Federal Emergency Management Agency is currently trying to figure out what the cause of these creatures. It is believed that a company created these creatures to cause a bunch of mayhem across the northeastern United States. All residents in the northeastern United States are ordered to evacuate the states immediately. Underground shelters won't be enough to survive this heck of a nightmare. Stay tuned to this station for more information on this dangerous situation. Welcome to the Emergency News Network. Something very strange has happened in New York City. This creature attacked New York City and blew it up entirely. Additionally, many oil tanks were attacked. So far, every attempt to kill this creature has failed and have proven to be fatal. However, the United States government claims that the EAS solution to killing this creature, and it has been confirmed that it works on these creatures. For the next few weeks, the military will be using this solution to kill the rest of these creatures. Until this mission is complete, stay away from the northeastern United States. Should these creatures continue to spread, you will be ordered by the United States government to evacuate your current location as a precaution, as these creatures are infecting, killing, and causing mayhem across these areas. Please stay tuned and stay safe.